Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm myself Shivani of Tripoli. I'm here to describe about my presentation, that is about the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. First of all, what is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is, according to the peoples, it is also called as Devil's Triangle, and it is located at the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. And next, where it is located. Now only I told that it is located at the western part of Northern Atlantic Ocean. First, there are three sides of this Bermuda Triangle. First one is Bermuda and Miami and San Juan. These three sides of this triangle, nearly the area is about 1000 miles. Next, the facts of Bermuda Triangle. There are so many facts regarding to this Bermuda Triangle. I want to explain some of the facts regarding this Bermuda Triangle. First of all, 90% of ships and airplanes gone through this Bermuda Triangle are not seen again and again. This is really a mystery. And next one, the people who survived in this Bermuda Triangle have lost their memory, and also some of them are gone through. We don't know where they are exactly now. Next one, this Bermuda Triangle has number of supernatural theories on this Bermuda Triangle. Many scientists and triangle writers have come up with their various supernatural theories behind the mystery of this Bermuda Triangle. I want to explain some of them. Some writers stated that there are these events is connected to the UFOs. UFOs means unidentified flying objects. Means we can say that aliens. So the aliens are coming to the place, and they are further research. They are taking the humans, and they are taking their further researches, and so the ships and the planes are disappeared from this Bermuda Triangle. Next, conclusion. The Bermuda Triangle. So there are so many supernatural theories and facts about this Bermuda Triangle. But we can conclude one thing, that we can do our scientific works on this Bermuda Triangle. Then we can assume that what is going on here, and we can state that what is going on here, and we can also tell that there are so many scientific works done on here. And last, Bermuda Triangle mystery was solved. Yes, it is solved. So on the Bermuda Triangle area, there are so many hexagonal clouds are formed, and due to the hexagonal cloud formation, there are so many air bombs. Air bombs are presented. So because of these air bombs, the air bombs capacity is about 170 mph. So these air bombs are taking the airplanes and ships towards the drowning, towards the deep of the sea. So because of these air bombs, so the airplanes and ships gone through this area are emerged. So there are no supernatural elements and no any facts regarding to this Bermuda Triangle. There is only one scientific reason, that is about the hexagonal cloud formation. You can see this here. There is a hexagonal cloud formation. And due to this, the air bombs are covered, and the ship is drowning into the deep of the ocean. So in this way, the ships are emerging into the deep of the ocean. So at last, I want to conclude one thing: there are no supernatural elements regarding to this Bermuda Triangle.